Okay. Take up again the determinant 4.5 exercise up. That is question number 13 now. If A is equals to 3, 1, minus 1, 2 is the given matrix up, then show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equals to 0 and hence find the A inverse now. Right? Okay. This one is what here? 4 marks of question. Okay. Solution. Okay. Solution. Before solution, we have to remember these two results now. These are the results now. Take up. What is the first result? A inverse is equals to, or maybe A inverse into A is equals to what? Identity now. Identity matrix. Right. Same as it is that is I into A, or maybe A into I is equals to what? A is the result now. Right. Same as it is if it is I into A inverse, okay, or maybe A inverse into I, then what is the answer? A inverse only now. A inverse only. Right. Remember these three results. Then go for what here? Problem. They are told given matrix show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equals to 0 and hence find the A inverse. Okay. Take up, that is the matrix A is equals to 3, 1, minus 1, 2 now. 3, 1, minus 1, 2 now. Okay. What is the equation there? Consider the given equation is A square minus 5A plus what here? 2I equals to 0 now. Okay. That is 7I equals to 0 now. A square minus 5A plus 7I is equals to 0. Right. First we have to show that the given term is equals to 0 and also find what is A inverse now. Okay. Hello. Now CET classes na ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. That is A square minus 5A plus what? 7I is equals to 0 now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳು ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತಾವ? ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ? That is the time saving report ನಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ? A square minus, that is here A plus B. Okay. A plus B into A plus what here? That is determinant of A into I is equals to 0 now. Right. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿನಿ. Right. Here 5 meaning that is A plus D. Add the diagonals value. Okay. Add here 3 plus 2 5 now. And equations so ready athwa ee results na ready athwa. Okay. Take this 3 plus 2, that is 5 only. Okay. Same as it is that is 7I meaning that is determinant of A into I now. Take the determinant for the given question. Now what is the determinant there? Determinant of A is equals to 3 2s are 6. That minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus 1 1 is 1, 6 plus 1 7. It is 7 now. Right. So see it is nಮಗೆ clear ಆಗಿ the e term ಬಾಜು ಏನಿರ್ತದ that is A plus D. I term ಬಾಜು ಏನಿರ್ತದ determinant ಇರ್ತದ. Find the value of k for the given questions arise ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತವ. So remember that is the TSR report now. Okay. First we have to take up, consider the given equation that is A square minus 5A plus 7I is equals to 0. Right. Go forward here. A square now. Okay. A square is nothing but what? A into A now. Got up. Take this A square is equals to A matrix 2 times. That is 3 1 minus 1 2 and again that is 3 1 minus 1 2 now. Got up. Then multiply here. A square is equals to, that is first column 3 3s are 9 plus into minus minus 1 1s are 1 3 1s are 3 1 2s are 2 now. Right. Same as it is second row first column minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus into minus minus 2 1s are 2 minus into plus minus 1 1s are 1 plus into plus 2 2s are 4 now. Then A square value is what here? That is A square matrix is 9 minus 1 8 3 plus 2 5. Okay. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 4 minus 1 now. That is 3 now. This one is what here? A matrix. Right. Take up, that is 5A. Right. 5A now. 5A is nothing but what here? 5 into, that is matrix, given matrix A matrix here. 3 1 minus 1 2 is equals to, what is the 5A matrix? 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 1 into minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 5 2s are what here? 10 now. This one is what? 5 A matrix. We know that already the 7i meaning 7007 matrix. Consider again, that is A square minus 5A plus 7i equals to 0 now. Okay. Take up A square now. What is A square matrix? 8 5 minus 5 3 now. Okay. 8 5 minus 5 3. Okay. Next minus 5 result, that is 15. Okay. 5 minus 5 10 now. Right. Plus 7i meaning 7007 is equals to what? 0 now. Right. Simplify these three matrices, then answer becomes 0 here. Right. Take it is 8 minus. This what? 15. This one is what? Plus 7. Okay. Take A12, B12. That is C12 now. A12 is 5. B12 minus 5. C12 0. Right. Take A2 one element, B2 one element, C2 one element. This one is minus 5. Minus into minus it becomes plus 5 plus last one is 0 now. Right. 3 minus into plus, that is minus 10. The last one is what here? Plus 7 is equals to 0 now. Right. See here 8 plus 7 15 minus 15 0. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled 0. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled 0. 7 plus 3 10. 10 minus 10, that is 0 now. So therefore now the given equation is what here? Verified now. That is A square minus 5 plus 7i is equals to 0. Again the second question here and answer find the what A inverse anta. Okay. Take it is A inverse now. Okay. Okay. Again A square minus 5A plus 7i equals to 0 now. Right. ಇದೊಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. See here, that is a post multiply A inverse on both side now. Post multiply A inverse on both side meaning multiply the A inverse for last side now. Okay. Now A square can be written as A into A Brahma. Right. Post multiply A inverse meaning take here A inverse now. Right. Next that is 5 into A inverse now. Right. Next plus 7 into I into what here? A inverse is equals to 0 into what? A inverse now. Right. Now ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A inverse is multiplying with all the terms now. That is here A inverse now. Right. See here, now take these two group now. Okay. A as it is into already the points for results for adding A inverse meaning I that I minus 5 as it is A inverse meaning I. Okay. Plus 7 as it is I into A inverse only. A inverse now is equals to 0 into A inverse, that is 0 now. Got. Next one again A into I result A into I A only. Got. Now this take A minus 5I plus what 7 A inverse is equals to 0 now. Right. Keep the 7 A inverse as it is equals to now minus plus I transfer here minus 5I transfer it becomes what here plus 5I. Right. Minus 5 becomes plus 5. This one is what? Plus A transfer here, that is minus A. Right. Clear right? Minus 5 becomes plus 5A, plus A becomes that is minus A now. 7A inverse as it is equals to 5I meaning 5 0 0 5 now. Right. Minus A meaning to take a question now. That is a 3 1 now. Minus 1 2 now. 3 1 minus 1 2 now. 7 A inverse is equals to now. Okay. 5 minus 3 2. Right. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Right. 0 minus into minus it becomes what here? Plus 1. 5 minus 2 3 now. Beta. So therefore A inverse is equals to what here? This one is into 7. Transfer it becomes what? Divide by 7. Okay, A inverse is equals to 1 by 7. 2 minus 1 1 3 now. This one is what? A inverse answer now. Okay. Cross verify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ by take up by using the what here formula. A inverse is equals to what? 1 divided by determinant of A into, that is the adjoint of what? A now, right? ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ತನಕ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಬಿಡ್ತಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 100% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಬೈ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರ 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು 2 3 6 minus into plus minus minus into minus minus into plus minus minus into minus plus 1 1 1 6 plus 1 what 7 determinant ada correct. Take it is a 1 by 7 determinant ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ 1 by 7 only, right? Adjoint of A meaning interchange the diagonals 3 2 ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದ 2 3 change the sign now. ಅದು plus 1 element minus 1 element plus 1 now. This one is what A inverse answer, that is 1 by 7 2 minus 1 1 3 now ಅದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಂದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಅದು ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನ್ರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. Right, important question, that is the 4 marks in the annual examination. Right, again take up example. If A is equals to 2 3 1 2, then show that A square minus 4A plus I is equals to 0, and also find a inverse now, A inverse. Right, again 4 marks question here. Okay, take up the matrix A is equals to what here? 2 3 1 2 now. 2 3 1 2 now. Okay. The given equation is consider it is A square minus 4A plus I equals to 0 now. Right? First we have to find out A square. But A square is nothing but what? A into A. A square is equals to, take up A matrix 2 times here, 2 3 1 2 into what? 2 3 1 2 now, right? Then A square is equals to, okay, go for first row first column, multiply 2 2 4 plus into plus plus 3 1 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೊಡೆಯಿಲ್ಲ. 2 3 6 3 2 6, right? Second row first column 1 2 2, next 2 1 2, second row second column 1 3 3 plus 2 2 4 is equals to, now what is the A square answer? 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 6 12, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 4 7 now. This one is what? A square, right? Take up the second one is 4A meaning that is 4A is equals to 4 into A matrix, that is 2 3 1 2 now, right? Multiply here. Okay, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 1 4, 4 2 8 now. This is which answer? 4A answer, right? Take up the main equation, that is A square minus 4A plus I is equals to 0 now. Okay, solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 0 ಬರಬೇಕು, right? Take up A square now. A square matrix that is 7, okay, 7 12, next 4 7, this one is A square, right? Minus 4A matrix that is 8 12 4 8, right? Into plus that is plus I meaning identity 1 0 0 1 is equals to 0, right? Take up all the corresponding elements are equal now, right? It is A11 B11 C11, correct? What is A11? 7 minus 8 plus 1 now. All are clear, okay? A12 B12 C12, A12 12 B12 minus 12 C12 plus 0, right? A21, B21, C21, 4 minus 4 plus 0. This one what? 7 minus 8 plus 1 is equals to 0 now, right? See here, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled, 0. Minus 4 minus plus 4 get cancelled, 0. Right? 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Right? No doubt. Now it becomes what in which matrix? 0 matrix now. It is a 0 matrix. Right? Again, they are told the second question is find the inverse. Okay. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ inverse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Take again a square minus 4a plus I equals to 0 now. Right? A square can be written as a into a minus 4a plus I equals to 0 now. Right? Take up that is a post multiply a inverse on both side now. Right? Then the terms are a into a inverse. Right? Next 4 into a inverse. Next I into a inverse is equals to 0 into a inverse now. Right? Ella side multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now take this a group now. Okay. This one a keep as it is a into a inverse I. Okay. Next minus 4 as it is a into a inverse I. That next plus I into a inverse is equals to 0 into a inverse, that is 0 now. Right? Keep up a inverse as it is equals to now. Right? Or maybe take another step here. A into I minus 4I as it is plus a inverse as it is equals to 0 now. Right? If a inverse as it is equals to minus 4I transfer, it becomes what? Plus 4I. Okay. Plus a becomes minus a. Right? Take the a inverse is equals to 4I meaning 4004. Next minus a meaning that is given matrix that is 2 3 1 2. Subtract here a inverse is equals to, right, 4 minus 2 0 minus 3 minus 3 0 minus 1 minus 1. Right? 4 minus 2 now. This one is what? A inverse. Okay. Take up in short form or cross verify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Right? A inverse is equals to what? 1 divided by determinant of a into, that is the adjoint of a now. Right? We know that 1 divided by determinant. This determinant ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3. That is 1. That 1 by 1 9. Into adjoint meaning interchange the diagonals. 2 becomes 2 only. Opposite change the sign. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. 1 by 1 into 1 by 1 meaning that is 1 nada. 1 into this one what? 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 now. A inverse and then barbekanega idu barbodu. Right? So therefore the answer is what here? Correct now. Okay. Right. Take up again, that is exercise question number 14. For the matrix A is equals to 3 2 1 1, find the numbers that is A and B such that A square plus A into A plus BI is equals to 0 now. Okay. That told what is the value of small a and B now. Right? Solution. Take up again question that is matrix A is equals to 3 2 1 1 now. 3 2 1 1. 3 2 1 1. Okay. Okay. A is equals to what here? 3 2 1 1 now. Okay. The given equation is square plus A into A plus B into I is equals to 0. Right? Take up first find out what here? A square. Okay. A square meaning A square is equals to, that is a 3, 2, 1, 1 now. 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, again 3, 2, 1, 1 now. 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೋದಾ ರೈಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಪಡೆದು ವಾಟ A and B ಅಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ take this A square is equals to now 3 3s are 9 plus 1 2 1s are 2 3 2s are 6 plus 2 1s are 2 now right 1 3s are 3 plus 1 1s are 1 1 2s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1 now got up then A square is equals to what is answer 11 8 next 4 and this 3 now okay this one A square is over now right take up equation now that is A square minus that is plus A into A plus of what B into I equals to 0 right A square split ಮಾಡಿರುವ it becomes what A into A cut up plus of what A into A plus B into I is equals to 0 right take up post multiply condition here post multiply A inverse on both side now right A inverse on both side then it becomes what A inverse right next plus small a into A inverse plus B into I A inverse is equals to 0 into A inverse now okay take up A as it is now A inverse I okay plus next A as it is A inverse I plus this one B as it is into I into A inverse is equals to 0 into A inverse that is a 0 right keep up that is B into A inverse as it is now B into okay or maybe take another step here that is A into I A into I A plus that is AI okay plus B into A inverse is equals to 0 now right B into A inverse is equals to transfer plus A it becomes minus A got up plus AI becomes minus AI now right B into A inverse is equals to what is the common here minus common got up it becomes what minus A becomes plus A minus AI becomes plus AI now right then B into A inverse is okay now transfer A inverse is equals to this one is what B into A inverse B transfer it becomes what divided by BI into ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು -1 by B into what A plus AI got up take up A inverse is equals to 1 by B as it is into now right A meaning matrix given matrix got up take it is 3 2 1 1 3 2 1 1 okay plus right A into I meaning A 0 0 A got up A 0 0 A now right then 1 by B as it is okay now add these two matrix 3 plus A this one what here 3 plus A now -1 by B as it is 3 plus A it is 3 plus A this one is what 2 plus 0 2 now okay 1 plus 0 1 okay 1 plus A now it is what 1 plus A right but problem in the back side ಏನು ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ ಇದು A inverse ಅದ they are told not find out the A inverse they are told find out the what is the value of A and B correct now what is the inverse now okay take up inverse here A inverse is equals to okay right find out its inverse now right 3 2 1 1 okay 3 2 1 1 inverse see here the matrix A is equals to 3 2 1 1 got formula 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A got 1 divided by 3 1s are 3 minus 1 2s are 2 3 minus 2 1 by 1 1 9 okay take this adjoint Adjoint meaning 3 1 becomes 1 3. Change the sign, minus 2 minus 1. Now if the matrix A is equals to 3 2 1 1, its inverse is what? This one. This inverse is idu oda. E place number. Replace, that is A inverse value, A inverse answer. A inverse answer. Intercept the diagonals of 1, that is minus 2 minus 1 3 now. It is which answer is this one? A inverse answer, right? Is equals to, that is minus 1 by B, keep as it is, into now again write down, that is 3 plus A, and it is 2 sub element of 2 1 element is 1 1 and 2 2 element, that is 1 plus A now, 1 plus A, right? They are told what is the value of A and B now. What is the value of A and B? Right? 3, okay, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1 3 is equals to, that is multiply minus 1 by B for all the terms. Ella ka multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Now it becomes minus into plus minus 3 minus into plus minus A divided by what? B. Next minus into plus, that is minus 2 by B now, right? Again minus 1 by B is multiplied with 2 one element now, minus into plus, that is minus 1 by B only. Next minus into plus, that is minus 1 minus into plus minus A, okay, that is minus 1 minus A divided by what? B now. In madinalli minus 1 by B term is multiplied with all the elements now, right? No doubt. Now these two matrices are what here? Equal matrix. If the two matrices are said to be equal matrix, then the orders are same. First condition, second condition. Corresponding elements are equal. Take the corresponding elements here. A21 go down. Easy or no? A21 minus 1. It is B21 minus 1 by 1. Now take this up. Minus 1 is equals to what? Minus 1 by B. Now interchange here, right? B is equals to minus 1, okay, or maybe in 1 by B, B into, that is minus 1 minus B is equals to what here? Minus 1 now, right? Minus get cancelled. Now B value is what? B is equals to 1 now, right? Nange already B andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ, according to the CET TSR report ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ? B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏನದ? 3 1 3 minus 1 2 2 3 minus 2 1 now. But B value that is 1, right? Take a now, right? What are the A terms here? ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, right? That is a 1 is equals to, right? A11 is equals to B11 minus 3 minus A divided by what? B now. 1 is equals to A minus 3 minus A keep as it is divided by B value 1 now. That is 1 is equals to minus 3 minus A now. Minus 3 minus A, right? Next one, the 1 as it is minus 3 transfer here plus 3 is equals to what? Minus A, or maybe in tomra minus A transfer, it becomes minus A becomes plus A, minus 3 keep as it is, plus 1 becomes minus 1. A is equals to minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4 now, right? So therefore the value of A is minus 4 and the value of B is that is plus 1 now, okay, right? Right, take up, that is question number 17. Let A be a non-singular square matrix now, right? They are told non-singular square matrix. Non-singular meaning determinant not equals to 0 is said to be non-singular. If the determinant value is equals to 0, is said to be singular. Right? Let A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3 rows 3 column, right? Then the adjoint determinant of adjoint of A is equals to what now, right? We know that already the result determinant of adjoint of A is equals to, what is the answer? Determinant of A power n minus 1 now. N meaning order of the matrix. Correct? See here, determinant keep as it is. Okay. N meaning order. What is the given order here? 3 rows, 3 column now. Take it is 3 minus 1. Then determinant as it is into now 3 minus 1 now 2 now. So therefore adjoint of determinant of adjoint of A is equals to, that is the determinant of A square now, right? Go for what here? That is option B, right? The order in the 3 rows 3 columns, so therefore it becomes what? 3 minus 1. Suppose they are given 2 rows 2 column, meaning we have to take 2 minus 1. It becomes what? Only determinant now, right? Question number 18, right? Solution. If A is invertible matrix of the order 2, right? If the A is which one there? Invertible matrix. If A is a invertible matrix of the order 2 meaning order 2 meaning 2 rows 2 column, right? Then the determinant of A inverse is equals to what now? Okay. Hello. A is said to be which matrix here? Invertible. Invertible condition is what? That is A inverse is equals to what? I is said to be a invertible. Right? A inverse is equals to I now. Right? Apply the determinant for what? All the terms, it becomes what? Determinant of A into A inverse is equals to determinant of what? I now. You have to get madri determinant tombed. Right? Next one, take separate here determinant of A. Separate tombed. Into what? Determinant of what? A inverse is equals to, what is the determinant of identity matrix? Right? You know, identity is equals to 1 0 0 1. What is its determinant? Determinant 1 1 1 minus 1 0 0 0 1 minus 0 1. Determinant of identity matrix value is 1 now. Right? So therefore take it is 1. Right? Next up, they are told what is the determinant of A inverse is equals to. Here, this is the determinant of A inverse. Keep as it is now. Determinant of A inverse now. Read it martri. Determinant of A inverse. This one is what? Determinant of A. Therefore, find out which one the determinant of A inverse is what now. Okay. So therefore, determinant of A inverse keep as it is. Then 1 into transform it becomes what here? Divided by A inverse now. So therefore, determinant of A inverse is equals to what? 1 divided by determinant of A now. So therefore, is equals to determinant of A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A. Another form can be written as what? It is like that determinant of A now. So therefore, so go for what here? That is option B now. Okay. Right. Next up. Now the exercise is completed. Thank you. ಇದು